Next LeetCode question. Product of array except self. Product of array except self. Let's search this question in LeetCode. So there are few constraints for this problem, that we will be given an integers array and we need to return another array answer, such that answer of I is equal to the product of all the elements of the nums except nums of I. So if we flip this example, so here except 1, all the products like 2 3s are 6, 4s are 24. Now here except 2, 1 into 3 into 4, 12. Now here except 3, that is 1 into 2 into 4, that is 8. Here, that is we need to exclude 4, that is 3 into 2 equals 6. So this is something we need to do, and I'll tell you how I did that. Initially I tried something like this. That is brute force. So okay, so let's discuss brute force first. So this is the thing. If I loop over it twice, I have to exclude self. Okay, so this is a solution. I have to exclude self. So 1 into 1, nothing. 1 into 2, 2. Right here somewhere, 2 plus 1 into 3, 3. Actually, we are making product, right? So 1 into 2, 2. Into 1 into 3, 3. Into 1 into 4, 4. Okay. Now here we are at 2. Let's use an arrow here. So that is 2 into 1. Into, we have to exclude the self. It means we will not do 2 into 2, but next 2 into 3 into 2 into 4 into 3 into 4. Next, again similarly for 3, that is 3 into 1 into 2 into 4. 3 into 1 into 2 into 4. Sorry, I guess we should exclude self, right? So I can't take 3 here. I can't take 2 here. Now last one. So in the case of last one, we can't take 4. So it is we have to exclude 4, right? So it is 1 into 2 into 3. So here we have excluded 1, here we have excluded 2, here we have excluded 3, and here we have excluded 4. That gives 24, 12, 2 into 4, 8, 2 3s are 6. Okay. Another thing, if you see the hint, what it says, you must write an algorithm that runs in O of n times. So the double nested loop won't work. And you can't also use division operator. Okay. Think how you can efficiently utilize prefix and suffix products to calculate the products of all the elements except self for each index. Can you pre-compute the prefix and suffix product in linear time to avoid redundant calculations? Okay. So it's giving us a hint of something like prefix and suffix. Okay. There is a pattern here. If you recognize that if you want to get the product at second index, is it the product of all the items on left and all the items on right? Product of 1, 3 and 4. Yes. Similarly, if you take example of 24, is it product of everything on the left and everything on the right? There is nothing on left, so no, and everything on right is 2, 3 and 4. Yes, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So can I say at index 0 it will be product of left, that is plus, so product of left and product of right. So here is the concept of prefix and suffix. Let's create an array. We'll call this left product, and we will call this right product. Okay. So what is product of 1? What are all the left products of 1 at index 0? So there is nothing, we'll say simply 1. Okay. So index 1 means number 2. What are all the left products? Still 1. Okay. We are not taking 0 because product should be 1 at least. If you include 0, it will become 0 for everything. So here, what is left product? That is 2 into 1, that is 2. And here at 4, what is left product? That is 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. And the right product. Here what are right products? That is at number 24, that is 12 into 8 into 6. Oh sorry, it's output. I'm looking at output, but we need to look for the upper one, inputs nums. So here at 1, the right product is 2 into 3 into 4. That is 24. At 2, all the right products is 3 into 4. That is 12. And at 3, all the right products is 4. There is just one element, that is 4, so we'll just write 4. And at the extreme right, at 4, there is nothing else left, that is 1. So we made two arrays here, that is left product, that is right product. For any element, if I have to get the product except self means left product, we can say left product into right product. And if you multiply this, what we will get? 1 into 24, 24. 1 into 12, 12. 2 into 4, 8. 6 into 1, 6. So 24, 12, 8, 6. 24, 12, 8, 6. So this is the logic. We have to do something like this. To get the product except self, we need to get product of left, get product of right, and multiply both left and right. So let's see how we will do this with code. So here's the solution. We have to return a result array, so that's an empty array, and instead of this we'll see other one, top one, because it's a bit more minimized code, so it lacks some readability, but the concept is same obviously. Okay, so we have a result array, we have a left product array, and we have a right product array. All these arrays are empty, and we'll start with one because product needs to start with 1. Product means multiplication. So For the first one, we are iterating over it, and for each element, we'll just add it into the array. Like here we did, for one we have added 1, not added 1 but the product was 1 because there was nothing. Initially product was 1, right? So if I have to write here at start product equal to 1. So here, because there was nothing, we wrote 1, what was initial product, and here at 2 we did initial product into, means the product into the left item. Product was 1 and then left item is 1, then that became 1, and here the product becomes, still stays 1, and here we do product into 2, that is 2, and here at last at 4 product is 2. So 2 into 3, that is 6. So to maintain this logic, we need to first keep the product in the array and then multiply the product. Multiply the current element into the product. Similarly, we have to do this for the right one. Okay. So in the right one, we have to do it in reverse order. So we are going from nums of length -1 to 0, and we are doing unshift. Unshift means inserting from the right. We are not inserting from the left, but we are inserting from the right. And similar approach. And next, for this nums array, we are again iterating over it, and in the result array we are pushing, means inserting into it left product into right product, and we are returning the result. And we have cleaned this a bit here in this below, that we are directly pushing, but we are reversing the right products array. So this is the code. Let's try to run the code. Products of array, and I have already tried it. Let's try to run it again. And running this code, submitting. So that's it, this solution is done.